Medicinal cannabis slashed in price. Coming up, the breakthrough marijuana products relieving chronic pain, but without the big price tag. How to access the 50% discount coming up a little later for you in 9 News. Medicinal cannabis is easing the pain for thousands of people suffering from chronic illness, but it often comes at a hefty price. As Bridget O'Brien reports, an Australian company is now slashing the cost and offering huge discounts.
Lucky to be alive after a terrifying brush with death.
Had a serious motorcycle accident 5 years ago and it was critical.
Brian Colley's health battle didn't end there. Diagnosed with prostate cancer shortly after. The symptoms debilitating.
You see a white light and you black out from the pain. The only option I had was painkillers.
Developing a dependence, the pain medication no longer effective, Brian turning instead to medicinal cannabis.
It has been life-changing.
Because it isn't yet listed on the PBS, the cost of treatment can be formidable, from $260 to $1,000 a month, depending on your condition.
Chronic back pain or problems like fibromyalgia, generalised anxiety or perhaps post-traumatic stress disorder.
Homegrown cannabis company Medcan and a national network of GPs launching a new service, Can I Help? A compassionate access program where patients receive up to 50% off products.
The 50% discount really targets things like palliative care, people of end of life, cancer patients.
30 and 15% subsidies are also available for other illnesses, and the process to access them is relatively simple. Complete a self-assessment online before consulting a GP. If a patient qualifies, TGA approval for treatment will be requested before your scripts are issued and medication shipped directly to your pharmacy.
I see people benefiting from these medications every day.
Around 95% of Australia's cannabis is imported from Canada and Europe, but a green revolution is coming. Inside these rooms, the ideal conditions for growing medicinal cannabis. And with more crops set to be cultivated right here in Australia, products are set to become more accessible and prices are set to drop.
I mean, we're at a point now where we're ready to go into commercial production.
Bridget O'Brien, 9 News.